So welcome back to CarMate, where we currently take used cars currently in the market in the Humphreys and Osan area, and we check them out together. And today we have this 2013 Mini Cooper SC series, which is in a coupe. It's in a very nice black color, and you can see that it looks very trendy too. So the previous owner did some trendy things to it, and it does have some nice 17-inch alloyed wheels. And let's check out the trunk space. And to open the trunk, you have a sensor button in the back, so you just push it, and you can see that there is not a whole lot of storage space, but these seats do recline forward if you do need extended storage. So you can probably fit like carry-on bags, and if you have any other larger things, you just need to recline it forward. Okay, so we're going to check out the front interior. Because it's a coupe, it is a two-door, and in terms of the back seat, there's not a whole lot of space, but if you want to put like extra, bags and stuff, you can definitely store it in the back. If you have a pet, definitely enough room for a pet. And taking a closer look inside, it has this little assist turner, which I actually used. It's actually very helpful. And the car roughly has slightly under 110,000 kilometers, which isn't bad for the age. It's about like maybe 65 to 70,000 miles. So considering the age, the person who owned it last didn't drive much. You do have a little thingy here for your phone, so you can put your phone right there and also use the Navi. You also have a multi-media system here where you can access the Bluetooth. You do have a high-pass machine right there, so you just need to get a prepaid card. It has a very sporty design, and you have the radio and air conditioning area right here. It has two cup holders. One thing to keep in mind is that this car has not been cleaned yet. We are showing it as we just got it because it's a very popular model. And you do have a nice little area, sporty seats. In terms of riding comfort, I feel very secure in the car, and it's a very sporty look. And if you're looking for something compact and stylish, I think this could be a good option. All of our cars have been serviced and are ready for SOFA inspection and registration. We do offer 30-day warranty and offer 0% short-term financing if you need it as well. So if compact and sporty is the option that you are going for in your next car in Korea, I think the Mini Cooper would be a great option. Definitely better than a Chevy Marquise or a Morning. So please make sure to contact us if you are interested in seeing the vehicle. Our contact information is below. We do offer pickup service as well, and we also have many other cars in stock to accommodate any family size and budget. So please make sure to contact us to find your perfect car mate. Thank you.